It's really mind-blowing how this cute and simple children's storybook has made over $475,000. This one has also made over $500K. And guess what? Today, you will learn how to easily create one too in under 10 minutes and generate thousands of dollars of passive income.
Hello, I like money.
Starting from finding the storybook's ideas to writing the script and chapters of the story itself with the help of the one and only ChatGPT.
What?
Then to creating top quality images and illustrations that match and highlight your story. When I was scrolling on Amazon, searching for an inspiration to another online side hustle, suddenly this amazing idea has hit me, and it will truly shock you to actually see how much these sellers make every month of passive income with simple storybooks just like this one that has 60,287 ratings, and by multiplying that number with the storybook's price, which is $5.90, this seller has made over $350,000 for only one storybook alone. But I bet he can make even millions with many storybooks. And the best part about all of this is that you can create and publish these storybooks for 100% free on Amazon KDP. This is why I'm so excited today to share with you this amazing idea and help as many people of you as possible to generate a passive income. So keep watching this video and make sure to like this video and subscribe, because that tells me that you're interested in these videos and it helps me to create more of them. It is obvious to you by now that every great storybook needs a great story ideas and title, and ChatGPT can help you with that in only a few seconds. And if this is your first time using ChatGPT, then I will tell you that it is very easy and absolutely free to use. Just open your browser and search the word ChatGPT and click on the first one that appears to you. You can then sign up for a new account using your email or log in if you already have one. In my case, I'm just gonna log in because I have already an account. So, first things first, I asked ChatGPT to come up with a nice title for a kid's storybook. So his answer was like this: Whimsical Adventures in Fuzzlewood Forest. It's good, but it's not very good, if you know what I mean. Also, it's a little bit hard to pronounce and read. Just imagine a 5-year-old kid trying to read a title like that. It will be a nightmare for him. So I had to ask ChatGPT to give me another title. And so he did. The Magical Quest of Captain Bumblebee. Okay, this one is absolutely perfect. Plus, it's easy to read and to remember for kids. So I immediately asked ChatGPT to give me more details about this story. So turned out, this story is filled with imagination, wonder and adventure. And it's about a young bee who loves to explore new places. It kinda reminded me about the Bee Movie, which is great. I know I used to love the stories like these back when I was a kid. So back to our content. Now I asked ChatGPT for which age range is this story for. And turns out, this story is for all kids, and more specifically for kids between the age of 4 and 8 years old. Perfect. Now, there is only one thing left, and that is the story's chapters and content. So I asked ChatGPT to create the story's chapters outline. And so it gave me 11 chapters for the story, and each chapter contains its own unique details. Chapter 1, the discovery. Chapter 2, setting off. Chapter 3, the enchanted garden. Chapter 4, riddles and challenges. Chapter 5, the butterfly meadow. Chapter 6, the hidden path. Chapter 7, lessons from nature. Chapter 8, the final challenge. Chapter 9. A Magical Revelation. Chapter 10. Back Home. Chapter 11. The Never-Ending Adventure. So now that we have completed our story's chapter outline, we can start creating our story's content based on these chapters. This process is extremely easy. All you need to do is to copy the first chapter and paste it into the chat. In my case, I copied chapter 1, The Discovery, and added the prompt, Rhythm Story. That way, it will be more like a poem and it will be more soothing for kids. So let me show you the results. In Honeycomb Valley, bright and fair, lived Captain Bumblebee, a bee with flair, with wings of gold and a heart so free. He was the bravest explorer, as you will see. One sunny morn, by a moonflower grace, a hidden treasure he did embrace. A map so old, in perils it lay, whispered secrets of a faraway bay. Intrigued by the map's mysterious clues, Captain Bumblebee knew what to choose. With a zest for adventure, he made his decree to follow the map and unlock destiny. So, in Honeycomb Valley, where bees roam, began Captain Bumblebee's journey from home to the enchanted garden, a place unknown. With courage in his heart, he would be shown. I have to say that this is one of the most amazing stories for children I've ever heard. I would definitely read one like this to my kid if I ever had one. It makes such a great bedtime story, and this is only the beginning. We still have 10 more chapters. Obviously, I will not go through all of them, because that would make this video too long, but it is exactly the same process that we did for chapter 1. Just repeat it for chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and so on, until you have all your story's content. Now, our story's content is pretty much completed, but trust me, the best part will come now. And if you think about it for a minute, it's absolutely insane how fast it took to write the story's content. It would have taken us days or even months to write a story like that manually. So thank you, ChatGPT. As you know, every great storybook needs an amazing art and images. Of course, you can pay thousands of dollars for skilled freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to get this done. But is it really worth it? No. I will show you the best free way to generate top quality art using AI, and believe me, these illustrations will really bring your story to life. I'm sure you've heard by now how AI can generate any image you want by just typing some words, and this is exactly what we will do to finish our story. There are many art generators out there. Surely you've heard about Midjourney and how he can create many images with one single prompt. However, it is a paid AI generator. This is why we will be using a free one called OpenArt. Let me show you how. Just open your browser and search for OpenArt. Click on the first one, then click Start Creating Now, and click on Create from Scratch. Here you can sign up for a free account. You can either sign up with your Discord account or with your email account. After that, you can tell OpenArt the description of your image in this prompt section, and it will generate it for you in under 2 seconds. Let's give it a try. I copied the first scene of chapter 1 and pasted it in the prompt section. As you can see, the results were horrible, so I had to be a little more creative. I added cartoon storybook cover to the prompt. Okay, these results are actually really good, and of course, yours can be even better. And now, you have to do the exact same thing for the second scene and for the third scene of chapter 1. And you have to do it also for the rest of the chapters. Very easy work. Then download all the images that you generated for the story. I will leave links in the description for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and OpenArt, and other tools that may be used to create this story. Now that we've generated the art needed for the story, we can combine these images with the content created with ChatGPT using Canva to create a professional storybook. Go to Canva and search for Storybook. Now click on Create a blank storybook. Here you can upload the art generated by OpenArt. And you can easily drag the image and drop it into the template. Then go ahead and copy the content of the first scene in chapter 1 that matches our image and paste it into the image. Here, you can edit the text however you like. You can change the color, size and font of the text. You can also add a shadow or an outline and many other things. Now, our first page of the storybook is ready. Just go ahead and export it as a PDF print. This is why I prefer Canva for editing, because it's 100% free and easy. Plus, it's beginner friendly and it doesn't require any editing skills. Now, repeat what we did with the rest of the chapters. Now that your storybook is completed, there is only one step left, and that is to publish and sell your storybook on Amazon KDP. I will explain this to you in only 4 steps. Step 1. Go to Amazon KDP and create an account if you don't already have one. Then you will see this dashboard right here. Click on Create. Here, you can create either a Kindle ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, or a series page. Let's just create an ebook for now. Step 2. Now you can fill in the details of your storybook, such as language, book title, description, audience, and keywords for SEO and to make your storybook more visible to people when they're searching for a specific word on Amazon. Then click on Save and Continue. Step 3. This step is very easy. You just have to upload your storybook to Amazon KDP. Step 4. Here, you have to enter your storybook's price and make sure to keep it reasonable. Anywhere between $2 and $8 is a very good price. So, congrats! Your storybook will be reviewed now by Amazon and it will be live within 2 days or less. There are also many other platforms out there like Amazon KDP to publish your storybook, such as Barnes & Nobles, Apple Books for Authors, Gumroad, Draft2Digital, and Smashwords to increase your earnings and reach a wider audience. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and check out my other videos on side hustles and how to make money online.